Atlassian Jira Service Desk is a popular help desk software used by teams around the world. But before you make the decision to buy, there are 12 important things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other solutions like Zendesk or Freshdesk, let's walk through the key points that can make or break your decision. First, it's important to understand that Jira Service Desk is built on top of Jira software, so it's a great choice if you're already using Jira for project management. This integration can streamline processes, but if you're not using Jira, you might find the learning curve a bit steeper compared to standalone help desk solutions. Next thing to note, Jira Service Desk offers a powerful automation system. This allows you to automate repetitive tasks like ticket assignments and reminders, which can save your team a lot of time. While Zendesk and Freshdesk also have automation features, Jira's automation is more customizable, but that can also make it a bit overwhelming if you're new to the system. The third thing is that it integrates really well with other Atlassian products, such as Confluence and Bitbucket. If your team already uses these tools, Jira Service Desk can make collaboration smoother. However, if you're not invested in the Atlassian ecosystem, you might find that other platforms like Zendesk have more third-party integrations to offer. The fourth thing is the reporting capabilities. Jira Service Desk provides detailed reports on ticket status, response times, and team performance. While this is powerful, it may not be as user-friendly as other solutions, and it might take a bit of time to get comfortable with all the metrics. If reporting is a top priority for you, consider other tools that might offer more intuitive dashboards. Next, Jira Service Desk is known for its strong SLA management. It allows you to set and track service level agreements, making sure that your team meets customer expectations. While other platforms like Freshdesk offer SLA features, Jira's is more robust and flexible, though it may take some time to configure properly. The sixth thing to consider is the customer portal. Jira Service Desk offers a clean, intuitive portal for customers to submit tickets and check the status of their issues. However, compared to Freshdesk or Zendesk, Jira's portal can feel a bit more technical, which might not be ideal for businesses with a non-technical customer base. The seventh thing to mention is the pricing structure. Jira Service Desk is typically more affordable for small teams, especially when you're just starting out. However, as your team grows and you need more features, the price can increase quickly, which might not be the case with other competitors that offer more scalability in their pricing models. The eighth thing is the knowledge base. Jira Service Desk allows you to create a knowledge base, which can be integrated with your help desk for faster issue resolution. While this feature is useful, you might find that Zendesk's knowledge base has a more polished user interface. The ninth thing to know is that Jira Service Desk has an intuitive ticketing system, which includes custom workflows, prioritization, and categorization options. This gives your team control over how they manage tickets. However, it can be more complex to set up than systems like Freshdesk, which offer simpler configurations. Next up is customer support. Jira Service Desk is backed by Atlassian's customer support team, but it's worth noting that some users report slower response times compared to Zendesk, which has a reputation for excellent customer service. The 11th point is the mobile app. Jira Service Desk offers a mobile app for managing tickets on the go. While the app is functional, it may not be as feature-rich or easy to use as the mobile apps from Zendesk or Freshdesk, especially if you need to do detailed work from your phone. Finally, if you're a team that values security and compliance, Jira Service Desk has solid security features, such as data encryption and robust access control. If you're in an industry that requires compliance with specific standards, this makes it a strong option compared to other platforms. Jira Service Desk is a solid help desk solution with many powerful features, especially for teams already using Atlassian products. It may not be the easiest to set up or the most intuitive for beginners, but if you're looking for deep customization and automation, it could be a great fit. That said, if you want a simpler, more user-friendly option with a polished interface, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.